Curtains are a great way to add style and privacy to your home. How many times have you tried to hang curtains only to end up with disaster? Holes in the wrong places, roads that don't fit, curtains that drag on the floor or leave gaps on the sides. Hi everyone, welcome to Drilling Nerd, where we share the best power tool reviews and drilling hacks for you. I am John, your host and expert for today's episode. Ready to hang the curtains like a pro, grab these essentials. Tape measure and pencil for marking distances and drilling points. Level to ensure your rod hangs straight. Drill and screwdriver for attaching the brackets. Curtain rod, brackets, finials. Choose styles that match your curtain. Curtain rings and hooks. Enough for your curtain panels. Scissors for trimming excess fabric. That's all you need. Now get ready to transform your windows. Step 1. Measure the width of your window and add 6 inches to it. This is the length of your curtain rod. Mark the center point of your window on the wall above it with a pencil. Step 2. Measure the distance from the top of your window to the ceiling and subtract 4 inches from it. This is the height of your curtain rod bracket. Mark this point on the wall on both sides of window, aligned with the center point. Step 3. Use a level to draw a horizontal line connecting the 2 points. This is where you will attach your curtain rod bracket. Step 4. Hold the curtain rod bracket against the wall and mark the screw holes with a pencil. Repeat on the other side. Step 5. Drill pilot holes on the marked spots with a drill bit slightly smaller than the screws. Be careful not to drill too deep or hit any wires or pipes. Step 6. Attach the curtain rod bracket to the wall with screws and a screwdriver. Make sure they are level and secure. Step 7. Slide the curtain rod finial onto the ends of the curtain rod. Then slide the curtain rings onto the curtain rod. Step 8. Attach the curtain hooks to the top edge of the curtain, spaced evenly according to the number of curtain rings you have. Step 9. Hang the curtain on the curtain rod by hooking the curtain hooks onto the curtain rings. Adjust the curtain so that it hangs evenly and covers the window. Step 10. Place the curtain rod on the curtain rod bracket and tighten the screws. Then attach the curtain rod finial to the ends of the curtain rod. Step 11. Trim any excess fabric from the bottom of the curtain with scissors. You can also hem the curtain with a sewing machine or iron-on tape if you want a more polished look. Step 12. Enjoy your new curtains and admire your hard work. You have just hung curtains like a pro in no time. Congratulations! You have just learned how to hang curtains with ease and confidence. Pro tip: to make your curtains look more colorful and creative, use a curtain rod that matches or contrasts with your curtain color. Add a curtain rod finial that complements or contrasts with your curtain style. I hope you enjoy hanging with us as much as we did. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more power tool reviews and drilling hacks, and visit our website drillingnerd.com for more tips and tricks.